back to another session of Anu's Kitchen. Today I am going to teach how to make Puliyodharai mix, which is also called as Pulihora in Telugu, one of the famous dish in Tamil Nadu. Now let's see the ingredients. Two teaspoons of white thill, 2 teaspoons of dhania, 2 teaspoons of Channa Dhal, sesame oil, crystal salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of methi, 1 cup of peanuts, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 20 red chillies, 1 teaspoon of jaggery, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then our final ingredient, fresh curry leaves. This is tamarind essence. For this you have to take 1 orange size of tamarind and soak it in water for about 2 hours and take the extract of the tamarind and keep it aside. Now let's begin the recipe. Now take a pan and light the gas stove and keep it in medium flame. First we have to take the Channa Dhal and roast it. We have to do all dry roast first. So take Channa Dhal and roast it for about 30 seconds. We should not put all the ingredients together at a time and fry, because some ingredients may get burnt and some may fry well. So it's better you fry one by one. Now you can add dhania. Take dhania and fry. Now next we have to add thill. Put thill also and fry for about 30 seconds. Now we have to add pepper and methi and roast it for another 2 minutes. Now we have to add red chillies and then fry it for a minute. We should not add red chillies in the beginning itself, because when you fry red chillies in the beginning itself along with the other ingredients, it may turn blackish. So it's better you put it in the end for roasting. Now all the ingredients are roasted well. Now you can switch off the gas flame and then transfer this into a plate. Now the dry roast is ready. Now the second step is take sesame oil and put it in the pan and allow it to heat. Put mustard seeds, urad dal, then peanuts, add hing, then red chillies and allow it to splutter. Now to this you have to add curry leaves also and then mix well. Once all mustard seeds, everything is fluttered, then you have to put the tamarind essence slowly. Put turmeric powder, then required salt and mix it well. And you should allow it to boil for half an hour till it becomes thickened. As this is getting boiled, simultaneously we can grind the dry roasted ingredients. You can take it into a mixie jar. Now it is boiled for more than half an hour. Now you have to add the ground masala to it. Keep it in sim flame and add it to and mix it well. Add jaggery also to it and mix it well. You have to mix it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once the oil starts floating, the puliyodhare mix is ready. Now it is ready to serve. We have to switch off the gas stove. Puliyodhare mix is ready. You can use it with rice, rotis, chapatis. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching Anu's Kitchen.